JD 26 here, just do the tips and repairs and hobbies, and we're all done with the Green Lantern. And he's pulverizing the robot there in a ray of green fusion, I would say. And let us look at the Green Lantern now. There he is, midair, flying in to save the day. And this is a very enjoyable model to do. I highly recommend it. And I put for the hand of the Green Lantern powering down onto the robot. Let me see if I can get a flashlight here. Of course, I used glow in the dark paint. So let me just charge that up. And can't see with the light on. Let's try it. Can't see it really, but that's glow in the dark paint on the part there, right there, on the hand coming down and pulverizing the robot. And I want to thank you for watching, and please rate and subscribe and ring the notification bell for more hobbies and videos and repair videos. Check out my cooking channel, it's very funny. That's Cooking with JD Cap or Peter Agostini. And you have a great day. Thanks for watching.